Hello, my name is Mr. Manzke, and now we're looking at page 3. And this exercise here is we're going to sketch, label, and mark each figure, show your work, to receive full credit. All right, so the question number 1 is find the measurement of the angle. Okay, so we're just going to practice using a protractor. Now remember, protractor, you got some point that's considered to be the middle. That's going to go on the vertex, okay, and that's way over here. Now, if you notice, it's opening up on the left. So if you look at your protractor here, okay, you want to make sure that 0 is on the side of the angle, okay? All we're doing is measuring, so we're going to practice here. So vertex is on the center of the protractor. You're starting at 0. Here's 10, and then you're going up to about 15. So in this one here, the angle would be 15 degrees. Okay, so let's try the next one. Okay, so number 2, okay, the angle is opening on the left, so it's not exactly level. Doesn't matter. So what you're going to do here is you're going to put the point here on the vertex. Remember, you're going to go on 0 here. Okay, so then, now remember, we're using the numbers on the outside because the angle's opening to the left and the numbers on the outside start at 0. So we always want to start at 0. So we go 10, 20, 30. Okay, and again, depending on how you angle it, we're going to say that this is 30 degrees. And we're going to put 30 there. Okay? All right. The next question, number 3, is asking you to create an angle of 150 degrees and you want to use your protractor. Okay, now the arrow is pointing to the left. So what we're going to have to do here is, let's move your protractor over a little bit. Remember, the upside down T is going to be on the vertex. Here's 0, we're going to put that there. Now I got to look for 150 degrees. Now you're starting at 0 over here. Okay, so if you kind of look at the protractor, okay, you're starting at 0. Okay, and then you're going to go 10, 20, 30. You go, here's 100 over here. Way over here is going to be 150. So we'll just slide it over here for a moment. And we got to identify where 150 is. So 150 is going to be right over here. So we're going to have to approach on the other question here a little bit. Let's draw a little mark here. And we're just going to draw a small ray. Okay, a small side here. But this would be 150 degrees. All right, so then we got question number 4, and what you're going to do here is we're going to create an angle of 80 degrees. Okay, so again, take your protractor, okay, find where the middle is, and we're going to mark it there at 0. Now we got to find where 80 is. Okay, so if you're counting, again, you start, because it's pointing to the left, we're going to the top numbers. So like here's 20, 40, here's 60, here's 80 degrees, like right up here. Okay, again, it's approaching on the other question, but that's okay. Okay, so then you're going to draw your arrow, and this one would be 80 degrees. All right, now over here, this is question number 5. It says find the measure of the angle. All right. Now this time it's opening to the right. Remember, this is your center. It's got to go on the vertex. This other part here has got to go on 0. Okay, and then you're going to measure. And then this one right here, you're going to go up. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now remember, it's opening to the right. We always got to start with 0. So we're going to use the inside numbers, and you're going to go up to about, it looks like 54. It's not quite at 55. Like here's 50, here's 60. So we'll use these tick marks up here to find that part. If it was 55, it would be right here. But since it's a little bit over, so we're going to say it's like 54. So we're going to say 54 degrees. Okay. All right. Now, if I'm looking at this question here, number 6, it's not level, or it's not like flat, but it's okay. All that matters is that your protractor is going to go on that point there. And so like here's 0. And then you're going to go like, so 0, 10, 20. It's a little less than 25. It's between 20 and 30. So we'll use these numbers up here to figure out what this is. Remember, we always start at 0. So this looks like about 24. So let's say like 24 degrees. Okay, just 2 more. Almost done. Okay, so now we're down to the last 2. All right, so number 7. So we're going to create an angle of 120 degrees. So you take your protractor. Okay, remember you always draw the ray first. Here's your center of your protractor. Protractor is going to go on there. And then you're going to 0. Now we got to look for 120. So you're starting at 0. Since we're going 120, I'll count by 20s here. 20, 40, 60, 80. Here's 100. 120 is about right here. Very convenient. So I'll just mark where it lines up with 120. And then we're going to draw a ray. Okay, and this is 120 right here. Okay, last one. Okay, so for number 8, so we're going to create an angle of 70 degrees. Take your protractor. Here's your center. That's got to go on the vertex. Remember, 0 is got to be on the side of the angle, so it's going to be on that ray. And this measurement is 70 degrees, so we're going to have to look for 70. Count by 10, 20, 40, 60. Remember, we're using the inside numbers because we have to start at 0. Since it's opening to the right, we use the inside numbers. So here's 0, 20, 40, 60. Here's 70 right here. And then you're going to measure that. I just missed. Okay, and then you put 70 right there. All right. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. My name is Mr. Manzke. Thank you.